In this lecture, you will be learning the top 4 Clickbank alternative. Right away after the launch of my pro Clickbank affiliate without website and email list, I get a few messages regarding, Wayne, please help. Clickbank does not work in my country. So I thought of it would be best that I could include this topic into this course as well. Let's see what are the top 4 Clickbank alternatives. The first one, Rakuten Link Share. Rakuten is one of my favorite Clickbank alternative. It provides tons of great brands and also it is free to join. You can join Rakuten by using your social media such as Facebook, so no website is required to join. Rakuten Link Share Marketing has a lot of physical products to promote, including some very big brands as well. You have to sign up with each individual advertiser before you can promote their products. Second, CJ Affiliates. CJ Affiliates is easy to use and full of useful stats. There is a large variety of products that you can promote just like Rakuten. CJ Affiliate is like Rakuten Link Share in that you have to apply to individual advertiser, which take more time than the instant acceptance of many other networks such as Clickbank. However, it is usually not really that difficult to get accepted by most advertisers over here, and CJ is free to apply as well. Share Yourself is another well-known affiliate network with a lot of products options. However, it is not that easy to get started joining affiliate program with them. You have to verify that you own your website before you can join any of their affiliate program, which involve placing a key in your website header tag. So if you have a high traffic website, you may consider apply with Share a Sale. Jerryzoo, a digital products network just like Clickbank. Jerryzoo is very similar to Clickbank in that it is a network for affiliates and sellers. Jerryzoo got a lot of digital products and it is very easy to navigate. Just like with Clickbank, you can check out the marketplace to get an idea of the products you could promote before you sign up. However, just make sure that you check the sales page before promoting, as some of them have a lot of terrible grammar mistake or poorly executed sales page. Well, this does not mean that you cannot success with Jerryzoo. It just means that you have to be extra careful when filtering through the products before you decide to promote something on your site. So in my opinion, the top 2 Clickbank affiliates network alternative that I will choose if Clickbank is banned in my country, I will be going after Link Share and also CJ Affiliates.